For our next pattern, we're going to be showing you the ladies' fans, or ochos. The idea of an ocho, or a fan, is the lady will start with her right foot, and Melina's just going to swivel on either foot. If it's a small step, she steps with the ball of her feet, and if it's a bigger step, she can step with the heel. So this is the idea of a fan. We're going to start with our basic, and we step 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here, however, the man does not pose his feet. He keeps his right foot behind. And now, I send Melina into an ocho, 2, 3, 4, bring her in front, close my feet, and take 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, side, close. We'll do it from this angle. So we start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ochos. 1, 2, 3, 4, bring her in front, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.